Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, let's make learning of English language a fun in an easygoing mode. In the recent video, I'm going to provide you with some eloquent expressions and the updated vocabulary that could distinguish you among the rest. So today's topic is the smart way to use the word very. Friends, very is what we call an intensifier. And what is an intensifier? It is what strengthens the meaning of other expressions and shows emphasis. So the word very is just one of the common intensifiers we use in language. While it might be easy to write something with very, using a descriptive word allows you to be more creative with your spoken as well as written, and definitely it helps you to get a higher rank. So dear friends, let's bring to light some solid and precise words you could have used instead of the intensifier very. Here we go. Very noisy. The words that you can use instead of very noisy can be deafening, clamorous, boisterous. Very often, frequently, recurrent, periodic. Very old, outdated, ancient, remote. Very powerful, mighty, dominant, commanding. Very pretty, stunning, captivating, gorgeous. Very quick, speedy, swift, rapid. Very quiet, reserved, hushed, speechless. Very rainy, pouring, showery, damp. Very rich, well-to-do, well-off, affluent. Very sad, downcast, dejected, regretful. Very scared, terrified, agitated, alarmed. Very open, transparent, unfolded, unlashed. Very painful, aching, sore, throbbing. Very pale, anemic, feeble, dwindle. Very perfect, flawless, thorough, faultless. Very poor, destitute, impoverished, poverty-stricken. Very shy, timid, bashful, introverted. Very angry, furious, cross, exasperated. Very dangerous, precarious, menacing, threatening. Very shiny, gleaming, glossy, glassy. Very short, brief, tiny, momentary. Very sharp, acute, intense, violent. Very serious, grave, momentous, in earnest, very cute, adorable, appealing, stunning, very big, massive, enormous, gigantic, very easy, effortless, serene, untroubled, very complete, comprehensive, out and out, accomplished, very bad, awful, unacceptable, disagreeable, and very simple, basic, straightaway, unembellished. So, dear friends, start using the language in a smart way. Try to be trendy and creative and give vent to your feelings with finer and nicer expressions. Stay blessed, all of you. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.